I think people forget that Reiki is more than just a hands-on healing or distance healing modality. And you can use Reiki for a multitude of things. You can send Reiki to the future, you can send Reiki to the past, you can send Reiki to your job, you can send Reiki to your food, you can send Reiki to your plants, you can give Reiki to your pets, to your animals, to your loved ones, to your family members. They don't have to be around, they don't have to be present. That comes under the realms of obviously distance healing, which is in energy terms, there is no such thing as distance. Everything is now, everything is present. Um, and you can even send Reiki to sort of situations that might be going on around the world. And I know, like, I'm a member of the UK Reiki Federation, and they like to get together to send healing to various issues that might be taking place around the world, and natural disasters, that sort of thing. And I think people forget about that. And just this morning, I was sending Reiki to my job, just things that are going on currently that I'd like to find a resolution with. So this is the wonderful gift of Reiki that is. And the other thing we also have to take into consideration is the fact that sometimes when you're sending healings, so let's take this for an example. You're going to give yourself some Reiki because you got a cold. You want to get over the cold a little bit quicker. So you give yourself Reiki every day, maybe for a week or whatever like that. And the symptoms become a lot worse faster. Why does that happen? That's basically because your body is healing faster. So because your body is healing faster, you're going to feel the symptoms and the effects of the healing process take on a lot quicker. So you're going to feel probably shittier and grottier faster than what you would if you just let your body's normal immune system to deal with it and fight it off. So that's the other point as well, is when we're sending healing to things outside of ourselves, to world situations, or maybe to your job or future situations, maybe like appointments or anything like that, the normal rate of emotions and anxieties and things that might come up because of that situation could be slightly heightened as well, because it's assisting with the process, but it's helping you to heal and deal with the emotions on a higher vibrational level. So you're going to feel them probably more intensely. And this is like the way I describe Reiki now is it's kind of like bioresonance healing. So you're getting yourself, you've practiced, you've maybe worked with clients for maybe a few years, you're going to do your master teacher, or maybe you already are a master teacher. You're using the Reiki principles, the precepts, the meditations. You're going through all this practice to calm your body and mind. And once you calm your body and mind, then you can facilitate the healing to other people and to other situations. But it's that very calming of the body and mind. So your energy, what you're giving off, is that vibrational frequency of what you're healing with. So if you go to see a client, or you're going to do healing on yourself, and you feel tight, you feel tense, you feel stressed out, the mind's kicking in, and you're not really in a very balanced place, then you don't want to be giving healing, because the person that's receiving is going to feel that. They're going to feel the effects of that energy. So it's maybe not the best time to be giving Reiki, because you're probably going to get more of the actual healing through something that's known as reciprocal healing. So you're going to get more of that than the actual client that is there to receive the healing, or the situation you want to send the healing to. So that is I just wanted to talk about that slightly. It's something that gets forgotten about a little bit with regards to Reiki, is that it doesn't just have to be that in-person one-on-one connection. It can expand the consciousness and expand the mind, your thoughts, your emotions, what you're going through. It all has a frequency, it all has an energy signature. So what you're putting out there is what you're going to create, it's what you're going to receive as well. So balance the mind, balance the body, balance your very spirit, your energy, and then the healing will take place. And also the heightened effects of that healing will take place, and things will heal and happen a lot quicker than if you just let things go through the motions. very interesting. It's very, very interesting, and it really does work. The benefits of this system of healing. I mean, I talk about this a lot in my courses where when I'm teaching Reiki 1, usually I'll talk about a PlayStation 4 controller that didn't really work very well. There was something going on with it, and it wouldn't connect to the actual PlayStation at the time. So, and this was going back a few years now. So I thought, I'll send it some healing. So I just sat there and I just visualized the PlayStation 4 controller in my mind. I visualized some symbols over it. I just imagined I was holding the controller in my hands. And then we went to use it again. Totally fine. And it's been fine ever since. There's been no glitches. So that just shows the power and effectiveness of Reiki. You can send Reiki to nature. You can send Reiki to your plants, to your trees, to your food, to your water. The intention that you're putting in there is to heal and create wellness. It's going to make you feel well. It's going to allow you to heal quicker. It's going to allow you to feel better. And because of your Reiki practice, because of focusing on the principles, the meditations, the calming of the mind, body, and spirit, it's going to have more of a focused effect of healing for you and for those around you and the situations. Just interesting. Just thought I'd talk about it. Like and follow for more.